Hi, Darren Marno here from Team Freedom. In this video, I'm going to do a video review about List Infinity. List Infinity is absolutely incredible. So, what List Infinity is it's a training. It's a marketing training. And it shows absolutely incredible marketing training. There's a free level, there's a basic level, and it's $7, and you get access to this training. And I'm going to tell you what you get access to here in a moment. The starter level is $25. Then the pro level is $100, then the elite level is $300. And the way this works is you can join for free, but whatever level you come in, whether it's basic, starter, pro, or elite, you'll be able to get paid. For example, if you join the basic level for $7, you'll be able to earn $7 on the referrals. But anybody else that's paid more than you, like 25, 100, or 300, it will go up to your upline. So if you come in at the elite level for about $300, what will happen is you will be able to get $300 on all the people that join under you on the elite level. So, what is the List Infinity? Okay, List Infinity is, like I said, it's an incredible marketing training. Okay, there's lead capture pages. It's a really easy system to set up, work with Aweber and stuff like this. And then what happens is it gives you lead capture pages, tracking pixels, the downline, what they call the viral downline builder, which is giving you tons of traffic. And then you can get paid through PayPal or Square. It gives you a whole bunch of promotional tools such as Facebook engagement posts. It gives you the List Infinity 30-day email campaign. Um, you get uh, you get traffic training on Facebook, solo ads, and everything like this. And then in addition, when you join under me, I'm going to give you training on a whole bunch of free traffic strategies as well. So you'll get over $200 in training, plus you'll get to clone my funnel and create multiple streams of income. So this is one of them. So click on the link and join today, and we'll see you on the other side. Thank you very much.